Hello there and welcome to the fall. And yes, it is back to school time. Now I have to make their lunch with good sources of carbs and good sources of fats that will help their brain development and their growth development. I have here eggs, right? And it's okay to have salt, just a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. And did you know that blueberries, full of antioxidants, for extra protein, extra sources of fats, yellow cheese, uncured beef sausage, some plantains, banana. This is what his lunch looks like. I made what is called egg muffins, bacon wrapped dates. Now this is beef bacon. Mandarins are loaded with vitamin C and fiber, an extra source of fat, which is an avocado. Seasoned with a little bit of salt, and that's pretty much one of the healthiest lunches that your child or you can have.